Hi everybody, Dr. Kerry here, and my staff has been encouraging me to do a day in the life of the chiropractor, and today's the weekend edition. It's a Sunday. I do go into the office on Sunday. I'm here at work, just arriving, and I bike to work on Sundays. If the weather's good, which it is most of the time here in Kelowna in the summer, I ride my bike to work. It's about a 10-minute ride. It's a beautiful ride down a bike path from the hospital area to the clinic. I usually get up early on Sundays. I go for a long run because I'm training for the Tokyo Marathon, and that's next year, 2025. So I did my long run today. Today was a shorter long run, so 15 kilometers, kind of through downtown and out through a bike path, a walking bike path, heading towards the university. Then when I come back, I usually stop for a coffee at the Delta Hotel. It's kind of my reward, and then I have 2 more kilometers to run home after that. So that's kind of my morning routine on Sundays. After that, my family's usually up, so we went for a coffee to the Black Rabbit. We're good friends with the owner, and so we have a coffee at the Black Rabbit. My daughter joined us. My son's working today, so we sat and had a coffee, my wife and I and my daughter, and just chatted and stuff. And then from there, went home, took care of my dog Luca, my cat, and then just took a break, kind of rested a bit, and now bike to work. So I've got a short shift on Sunday. I do the afternoon shift. It's mostly for emergencies because there's always people who hurt themselves on a Saturday or a Sunday morning and they need help. They hurt their back. They're doing water sports now in the summer. So skiing and wakeboarding and surfing type of accidents, boating. So I'm here for people on Sunday. We usually hold 1 new patient spot on a Sunday, and then my regular patients that can't come in during the week because of their schedules, they always find Sundays very convenient. So I'm gonna go get ready for them, and then after that probably head to the beach, have a bit of a barbecue today, and just enjoy the rest of the day. So if you guys have any questions, if you're thinking you want to become a chiropractor and you're wondering what it's like, I'll try and do another video of a weekday what it's like to be a chiropractor. But feel free to reach out to me and follow me on social media, and I'll talk to you soon.